Hey guys, it's me Bishop, and today I'm going to show you a custom track set that I made, but I'm not going to show you the box or the tracks because I don't have much of the tracks that you need. So I have Thomas, and the Trucks 2.0. So I used a I forgot what it was called, but it's die pet. I used a die pet Thomas, and I used some faces for the trucks that my mom printed out, and I have a Bruno over there. Since Bruno is like one of my favorite characters in All Engines Go, even though the show kind of sucks. So I used paper faces from online things. But some of them I had to tape on because they wouldn't stick. Because my mom has some sticker paper, but it didn't stick. And yeah, so you need the new type of tracks, not the All Engines Go, the ones that have only one straight line in the middle, like from the Superstation. And the box would have like Thomas and all the trucks and Bruno going down one of the straights. So it has Gordon's Hill, obviously. It has the station, and it has the points where Thomas stops. No Sir Topham Hatt because this is after. So basically, the plot is a story that I call, not really, Thomas and Bruno. Thomas and Bruno are friends now. This is like one of their second or third episodes. They're pulling along on a trucks over Gordon's Hill to make it to the station, and yet again this happens in the I think the 4th episode of the season 1 of Thomas, but Bruno wasn't in there, so yeah. So basically that's it. I just wanted to let you know, and I'll try to make the box so I can show you, but yeah. Basically that's just it for now. Oh, also, Thomas and Bruno will be at the top, where you get the engine. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. Bye.